Hello once again, welcome to another tutorial, and today we're going to crochet the sleeves garlands here. So this is a very simple project, especially if you're a crochet beginner. So let's begin. So I'm going to be using milk cotton yarn. However, you can use any other type of yarn that you have. Just make sure that you're using a corresponding crochet hook. So this one here that I'm going to be using is a 4mm crochet hook. So I'm going to begin with a chain of 30. However, you can increase the number of chains here depending on the size that you want. So we're going to begin with a slip knot. And then we're going to chain 30. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 30 chains now. I'm going to add 8 more chains, and these ones are for the first leaf that we're going to crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's begin the first leaf. So I'm going to insert my hook into the second chain from the hook, this one. Grab my yarn, insert into the next chain, pull through. Okay, so I'm going to increase the length of the yarn that I pull through, as you can see here. Now I have 3 loops. We need to have 8 loops. Into the next one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have 8 loops. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now I'm going to yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops like that, yarn over again, pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through the next 2 loops. Repeat up until you no longer have any loops on your hook. And then there we finish the first side, and then we turn to this side. So this side we're going to be inserting a hook at the back of each chain here. There's small holes there. Okay, so and we repeat. So in the first one, pull through, into the next one, pull through, 5, 6, 7, and then into the last one, 8. There should be a gradient like this. Again, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over the next 2 loops up until all the loops are done like this. So to finish off this first leaf, I'm going to turn, and then here, so I'm going to insert my hook. We have this stitch, so I want to insert here, but then bring my hook out at the back, through the back like this, and then I'm going to work 1 single crochet like this. Now let's work the second leaf. Chain 8 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we repeat into the second chain, pull through, pull through, and then the last one. So make sure that you have 8 loops on your hook, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, like that. We turn and move to the other side. Okay, so you want to insert your hook here So we have these 2 loops here, then you insert here. So repeat. 2 loops on the hook, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8, like this, and over, pull through 2, and then we turn. And then to complete, I'm going to insert my hook here, so this one, but then at the back, pull through, and then pull through. So I'm going to repeat here up until I have 8 leaves, and then come back. So here I've done 8 leaves here. If you want to add more leaves, it's still okay. So here at the end, I'm going to chain 30 again, just like we did at the beginning. Then I'll also cut this small tail here at the end, like this. So there you have your leaf garland. So you can use this as a bookmark, headband, kitten tie, and you can even use this to decorate your bags and other accessories. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, and comment for more videos. Thank you.